What's up? So I picked up this router on it's Home Depot's clearancing it right now, December 28th, 2011. If you're watching this after that, you're out of luck. $49 at my local Home Depot. Tool only, Ryobi P601 cordless router, 18 volt. Comes with the router, the wrench. So just to give you an idea, my trim routers. Alright, I have a couple trim routers, and I always wanted a cordless trim router. These are my two trim routers that I use. Mostly for my trim routers, all I'm doing with them is rounding over edges. Either, a 1/4 inch round over, 16th inch round over, 1/8 inch round over. That's usually all I'm doing. Sometimes I hog out some stuff with a straight bit. I like the Ridgit. It's nice. Soft start, adjustable speed, no adjustable speed. This is my least favorite router right now because this adjustment here, like how you adjust this to micro adjust it, is too much. You gotta unlock it, twist it, and then you can use this knob to make height adjustments. This loosens up sometimes. It's not very good. So it's my least favorite router. This one, a lot better. It doesn't micro adjust as easily, but it's positive. You lock this and you're done. It's a nice router. The base is a little small, but I kind of tend to like the square bases. This one though, right? It's comfortable. I would use it with the small battery pack, the little thin one, because it makes it easier to hold. It's light enough that it might be a pound or two. But what I like about it is nice arbor lock. You only need one wrench. The Ridgit you need two. The Bosch you don't. It has a spindle lock. So it has a spindle lock. Here's the adjustment. It seems really firm. So that I like about it. There's a fine adjustment up here. Goes in 64ths. I like that. So you would loosen this and then get final adjustment here. And it's very easy to use as opposed to that Bosch Colt. I think, yeah, it's a Colt. And then if you wanted to make big adjustments, there's this little, I think they call it a motor lock. And so that lets you just adjust the base, really fast. You can remove the base too, that way too. You have to push this in, and then you can slide the base off. But it's a pretty nice router. I mean, will you be able to route edges with it? I don't know. We'll give it a try and see. Let's go take it in the other room and have at it. I just have a piece of oak, and I'm going to put like a little 1/8 inch 1/8 inch round over on it, or I think it's a 16th 1/8 inch, I'm not really sure. Pretty quiet. And really, what surprised me a lot was it doesn't move. Very little vibration. It's comfortable to hold. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So here's what I did. I tried hogging into, I got a Roman OG bit in here. I wouldn't hog into anything with this. It just doesn't have enough power. You're going to have to, if you want to use any type of profile bit, you're going to have to do a couple passes. Let's try this. How are you doing that? So we're just taking this in like 3 passes. So it's not bad. Like I said, big bits, you're just not going to hog off all this material. This is red oak too. And you just do a couple passes and you'll be fine. It's a good little router, I think. I just noticed now that it has a little light too, which works pretty good. It's not light, it's not very loud, like I said before. Yeah, it's decent, you know, it's not bad. A little sanding and it's good to go.